Oh!
Ulwa nenation.
Ulwa nenation.
Ipriority yokuqala kaNkulunkulu, ipriority yokuqala kaThixo umndeni. Oh, ungile noma ngathula ngokuqhubeka ngeke. La noma thina manje ifocus lethu iyele mafamilies. What I am telling you, in local church, lesithathile izama yilo ifele. Oh. Ngoba sina nje, sina. Uhlangana nabafamily.
Hlangana nabafamily.
Maqedwe inkonzo kuthiwa amen bazalwane siphelile inkonzo. Sihlakazela sonke siyongena emotweni ngokwemndeni.
Oh!
Mumo ubukile umndeni. Singayithandazelile inkazimulo yomndeni asaqala ukuthuleka. Kuyafana kaphela sisosonto lenkinga sasa isha. Usathane ayenza. Uyeke abazane bayesontweni badumise bakhonze abalinde emakhaya. But here's something. The family is a liar. She's from Shire and Head. She's Shire and Head. Families are victim. One thing is I discovered. Who discovered this focus here? I eat them. About the focus on. And this one don't even design. Tinasina ni kama mkumbuka. Nenda mkumbuka. Kota kuwa. Siyawazi uye bandeni. Siyokhona. Sikalo.
Oh!
Usufuna sizimele kanjani? Sizo. Sabona ukuthi wathumisa. Ingane ikhulisa mama ukhulisa. Siyokhanda ibanga la.
Oh!
Siyokhanda lokhathe. Musungwelo wala.
Ibandla
akuyiwani manje. Into ka3 weeks back.
Oh! Ngokhanda ibandla ehleleni.
Masike sontweni wafazula ngenxa yami. Avela suke kumfisi wakhona abazokuthutha kaNkulunkulu athi tshela uMama. Awutshela uNkulunkulu sesikhona.
Oh!
Hlala nje mama.
Oh!
Uzobona ukuthi uzothatha kaNkulunkulu. Ulike ibandla olinesikhindi. Ayibamba bale. akutinga amafamily siwabuka abazobuka kanjani siwabuka ngeso le excitement hayi ngeso le plan amadoda anaphatheka amadoda ngamini amadoda afune kuba amapriest endlini. We have loose authority at the camp neighborhood for our Christians in the house. We are failing to tell our brothers that are not the then we are expecting to have a mighty God in the church. A kaya is a short way. It's a short way. Who are Christians to live? I spent 8 hours or 5 hours in Kulewe. 1.5 hours in Ataras. Then I go back to home. Should land to people who for those who in 24 hours. You know, who hour in one, who to 23 hours walking, you spend the car. Almost come to say the car, created a problem.
Sure.
Put up a control so the market can move. And the mighty family of chair. Then you go as a student in. It's full the excitement. The excitement bangena bakali ekamele excitement phela. Amazi into to struggle. Si produce abantu abathezela nje kusengumeni. Sengumisi. Do you understand? We have a revelation. Once you graduate 6 months from fast neighborhood, in the spirit is the full priest. It's the full master, the full prophet. When you are now the son of I give you a house. The spirit, the car. And begin to set orders in the spirit. If there is issue, I'm a victim. If there is issue, I'm a trusting there is issue. So call if there is issue, it's a national issue. The quantity or in total. If there is issue, so the division away from if there is issue, not divorce. If there is issue and the church is quiet. No one is praying. No one is teaching. See, I think the truth is that I'm not going to go simple things. One is for this. Abantu bangena emshadweni bangene bakhanda ama-families nge-excitement of love.
Go!
Bengenakole. Ngizokusosa izigaba lami lezulu nazo bathi ngithathela kwabanye abantu abanye ngendlela engekho right behambelana. uNkulunkulu uproduce abafasi. Aproduce amadoda. Hayi obheli phela. Manje uNkulunkulu obheli la sasa ngekho. Ayikho. Nomsalwane. Go home. Then you see the two characters. No more. Then keep it calm. No more man. God has strings cut like God. That's what I'm couples are from the sun. I'm a couple of police. I'm a police. sithi sinike makhona sizikhulele. Sithi sicela usivulele usiyela. Usivulele ukuyela lento sinika ukhiye. Usicela usivulele makhona esifuna kulo. Njoba sikhulele sithume wena uzovulele usithathe. Ifocus kaNkulunkulu akusemkhazuleni endini. Namhlanje azoshumayela njengoba sithanda siyakhulela. Akuyikhazuleni. No, Nkosi uzoshumayela athame. Amenzela abantu. Inkhathi abantu nazile iqoqa ama-mask nazile abantu. Fanele siyiqinise ukuthi zenze ihlazo abantu. Nabo gogo bakhona.
Hey, Jesus. Yo. Ayekuthandaza khaya. Yo. Yo. The whole nation was sheep family. Family seed, even the book. The nations was sheep family. The whole thing was only one family. What is the color? Steve said, what is the color? What is the motion? Some people are we want to see God move. We want to see God move. We tell God what happened to us. Provided as long as we are busy grooming our family. No, I hope not teaches nothing. Abafundiswa abantu bashadela amafika, bashadela nama-camas. Ifemela ayazi amabhekise elokuqala. Ayazi ikhasulu. Tapi saya mulai tuan itu tadi pada lama saya berada. Ini sapu dalam boxer. Apa? Ya cara pengabalan. Usual dalam kita istirahat saja. Kalau istirahat sekolah kuliah ini istirahat. Sekolah kuliah ini istirahat. Jadi mungkin sesuatu tanpa mereka. Hasil hasil. Adam wa shaytan asliye wa setan wa ilu setan dala kulo wa khalili ku bazalika in la ya zalika qala ya la ina second ko ekere pasabela ne pitana so ma bina ne kaya e mulawe
Hey.
No, wazalini hayo na mkuja ndio. Maana kile mkuja anaanza mambo kwa sababu watani zidi wakuzi. Kwa kusikuzile. Waza wa kofa na watu wanaitenda lakini wakamfano wako yeye kwa buti. Wahamba wamemeza Mungu kama wavua wakulita ile sokela nenda. Wataka washendi kesa ikaya bifemi. Michael Bamlo wala Abraham mtu dalam kulit kola kumejela pada semua mama Abraham Mrs. Abraham baca mama harus tahu mama harus tahu dulu dia keluar orang pelani dan sekarang selesai ya sudah itu. Orang lalu Ismail anak orang kemudian waktu orang susah orang mana orang di sekolah mereka orang anak yang besar. Waktu itu saya wasumsi Abraham ini cara mereka unesi unengan kuai hamil sama dia. Oh ini saya tidak kalau dia. Saya cuma jangan betul dengan anak orang. Christ. Ini baru waktu teh Abraham. Guru kuasa kita adalah Abraham melalui melalui Mustafa, kata tinggal desa dan berasa. Ekal Abraham waktu Abraham. Christ. Waktu Abraham dah dunia paswad. Waktu Abraham dah zoeira umabuki. He was wonderful priest. Watu ya zalo zali ndani amadota na pale anmole je alianza lango ndio hapa mkifika tena mashamba kwa maisha kaya ingane etendeli saneli sama mtu mazani etendeli enda wone mwe ndio hapa mbeka everywhere katika crisis ya kabisa kaya passport ambayo bayaza maneno kwa fuku Samuel ozalwe khona ekhaya okade prophet indaba yaso lezingane uthenge ngale ekhaya ingane wasekhula yena wabamdala wazala ingane uthe seyizele ingane zakhe 25 ingane zakhe uthi uzamuyiphushela kwi-priesthood ayishela ofisini lokuprofethi iBhayibheli wavumisa izithathu zigcwele wathi no it was spoken and ingane zakho zibalwe ekorashini zithatha iBrayili so azinani iqiniso zilomkeleki ingane kaSamuel zazile ekorashini bamngena umuntu zithatha iBrayili zikwazisa in the house of God. Samuel was a wonderful prophet but challenged their presence. I can look at those families of Tasamaka. Because that's what sunset David, a king, and as he said for the Jenayo, and then he for the Panama. I was wonderful. Or when he saw a woman, Sakasa Kilba, a son of Sophia. India, Ulu, the village of Fuji, or Fuji, after I after a days, can't general, who I'm known. I
sokukhonza nje kunempi yasendlini. Waphuma lo mali umali wasephumelela kakhulu kwa Absalom alahleka wabuyisa wayebuya uThakala. Sathi mina khona ngalo baba manje thatha isihlalo sakho somkhosi manje. Wabalele ehambe ekhaya futhi wayingane yakhe endlini. David ulekile akagoya thali ibu uma sala shutha amakhamera ethu umthandazo swabethe emakhaya bazalwane bonke abantu abahambe noNkulunkulu babe nempi yasekhaya. Wakho sathana wazila imibodi nale ekhaya inkazimuli igcwale izwe. Olha o como ainda para We need to bring back our families. The first big crusade esifuna ukuthi siyimise isekhaya. One, sokhanda amafonele altars. Awuyona nje sesifimazile. We don't have altars in our houses.
Jesus.
Singabazalwane nje abangenama altar emakhaya.
Yes.
Usathana nama-strongholds. Where there is no altar, there are strongholds. La isonke ngamukhona kudlalelwa ngakhona. La mehla engabheki ngakhona sakhangidalela khona. Kodwa ngibona ifocus yenu in the spirit. Ngibona umuntu othi noma ngibhekile ebandleni lami kodwa amehla amazoqala endlini yami. Sathana wathi uthika abantwana bami basithulele emathaleni. Sathana wathi uthika abantwana bami sekuyini nawe uyi-perfect. Sathana thatha umyeni wami yini nawe uyi-perfect. Sathana thatha uNkosi wami yini nawe uyi-perfect. Anginandaba namakhaya, anginandaba namadimoni, anginandaba namademon worshiper. But there's one thing I know.
madoda akasethu akufane wathi mana kasikaqethi nemfuyo yethu neyinkomo zethu kusho sifuna ingcebo yethu sifuna abantwana bethu sifuna amadodana ethu sifuna amadoda ethu sifuna abantwana bethu let that glory of our families. Oh, Jesus. This is what we're going to do. It's also what we're going to do. And we will take a look at somewhere. Then also what we're going to do. What is the I shall pray. I'm not preaching, I'm just challenging. From today going forward, I'm going to pray for my family. Because some of voting business go 3 or 2 days. 2 things, 3 things, for the sake of the practical work. 3 things I'm going to say. 1, number 1, never can't give up on the work. Number 2, okay, number 1, never give up on your family. But force is out. Yes. First, then we Ishmael now secretary by. We want to give a big message to her because we have seen that one thing Ishmael want to Papelana. That's why money body, in our eyes, one woman put one on telling cool down. So finally, who can sense? Who may have speed with my life. But I understand. Our history not look at what mentioned. On this, who could become family to me? We are going to be mass. I wish I don't have. Look at my exist. Because I'm never victims of women in the name of faith. You understand that friend? What I show you, I understand that clearly. Woman will look at me. For the night I'm clear. Never give up. Omuntu location. Omuntu ukufuna ukubamba kosina imwana. Edole mama, edole baba, edole mtafalo. Lalela, we sit. Let us see kumela kama abasokhanye nasefethu sabo multiply. We want that. Or the come in. Imsinde kheta ezula lomunya. They want to Fans can't govern the first time. Just see your hand. As I'm doing, can you answer? And join forces and pray against the principalities. Prove them to us. How they act in Kabak, since Imam. Go see some card. Many respect. Some of the things that everyone wants to battle is Shumaila and Mavos. They don't really understand. And you can offer it immediately. And the whole 20 years is born, he experienced Patrick Sank. Shumail Singanza, and preach. They listen to me, but we don't give up. What can we do on the soil? I'm talking about our family, she's so wonderful. Music when I touch the ball, but she can sing. That is a wonderful voice. My church is doing that. I will never talk in that house. Mommy, my papa said that. The church, I will never talk in that house. Who should I get from here and get around? I will never talk in that house. Yes. So I'm never class, I will never talk in that house. And then I was sure. I'm talking about people that can do things. When you talk about depression. Depression. We are saying, Sizamungena, Ekatulin Kuku, says the day and a man goes to Kuku pay highway. When you get a task of call tanners, every since we are seeing no work. We are must make the use of some money to the Sawa. Let's exchange in our money. John is not having that. In a good physical zone, what is there to nations? Take assignment of work and make an office. We as a family spiritual move to Bageza. Office now for this now, but about cancellation and assist a woman. The office is not at home. I'm a lot of officers sit down and talk to them. Give them that. Who are not stress? What about stress? No more about stress. You have to I'm the one here. Who are going to no one tell you as it trains to see. What is that talking about? That's it. That's the kind of attend on.
Oh! Jesus!
Queen that is in the roof. I get to the task, the assignment to serve you and serve the kids. Can that be the challenge with two more foodies? Every food is here.
Oh!
Close the door. Move a fellow on aisle, move it everywhere. You can't get that out. Come and watch. Come and watch. So, Baba, can't be answered. Never give up, never to can't be altered. That was others. Can't be answered. Yes, you see, pretty second. So, when the special offering. Ungahlali imithandazo yakho kuphela ekhaya. Kumele unike ukuzukonelini ukuthi mhlawumbe ifemeli yakhe kwenzakalayo. Ukhoneliyo wakhuluma imikhuleko yakhe neminikelo yakhe. Nice special offering that you do for your family. Let's also practical one. Unikele sowenza manje so besinikele sokuthi uNkulunkulu izimthandazo. Yes. Sezimthandazo ukuthi Nkosi amnikele ithuthumi namhlanje umnikelo abantwana bami nefamily yami. Angazi ukuthi kwenzekele ngokwakho. Ukuthi ngathi sizwana nekhaya ngiyacela ngizokuthandaza umthandazo we-maintenance. Yes. Wena unikele we-maintenance. Uthi Nkosi ngoba sivulela isicaba sakathi ngiyaphela.
Yes. Hallelujah.
When we are maintaining our sister, please see daughter, breakdown, say on shore. About very saying thing so as much we should back that right.
I see who is talking about it. And as I'm sure what was positive, I'm starting to break down. Show me it. And say, no, I know, carry it, I know. I said, I know, putting us up on yourself. What about believe me, you? Then is coming. Then I'm on Mars. It's here. No need cortex. Yes, cortex. I don't know what to do now. Then I'm going to say cortex with someone. Man, because I'm going to do this. Don't have a cortex. Put me through the platform.
Only